We have a really good crew out here. It makes it a lot of fun working here, and I just worked hard to get where I'm at now. My name is Mitch, and I work for Clackamas County Transportation Maintenance. I'm a specialist too. We run smaller equipment such as brush cutters, loaders, snow plows. Basically, we're cutting trees, doing future maintenance. There's low-hanging branches that are hitting trucks, and site obstructions. We'll clear any vegetation that's in the roadway, in the right-of-way. We prevent a lot of accidents from happening for people pulling out on intersections so they can have good sight distance, make sure there's no other cars coming. We do just about everything. We got brush cutters, mowers, the brushing crew. The dirt side, we do culverts, dig outs, sinkholes. We pave in the summer, snow plow, de-ice. I started off as a seasonal and I came on full time, and I like what I'm doing right now.